Okay, so let's get into this YesKicks review. I got this hat. I had threw this in last minute just to see what it was looking like, because I liked this Gucci and New York hat collaboration they had did, like, what was it, last year? I want to say 2018. It's almost 2020. They did this in 2018. They do have some more expensive hats, like around the $20. Yeah, the $20 area. This one was a $7 hat. I just got it just to see what it was coming and looking like. I may end up, I'm gonna see what it looks like on head, but I may end up giving this to my little brother with his gift, which is this right here, because it still matches, you know. You can get away with it, because I don't think, like I said, I gotta see what it looks like on head, but just looking at it right here, I may not wear it. Like how they got the Gucci inside of here. That was a nice touch. Let's see, that doesn't say Gucci. You would expect it to. The stitching on the inside. Gucci tag right here. Okay, this does say Gucci right here. New York. Should bring the stitching. Not too many complaints. These you can just cut off. Not too many complaints. It's just, it doesn't look like a Gucci quality hat to me. Like, it looks like they just took a hat and threw this stuff on it. But it's not bad, though. It's not bad. This is actually really, really good. Usually, like, the end will be all deformed and everything. Like, it's a couple of stitching falls right here and right here. But other than that, like, I'm talking about the actual shape of it. It is not bad at all. Okay. Alright, these Gucci slides. I'm not going to take both of them out. I'm sure they're exactly the same. I have seen real Gucci slides in person before. These are for my brother, so these are not my size to try on or anything, but I mean, I want to say the real ones, the color is a little darker. I can't remember detail because like this, like just the look of this is just kind of throwing me off. I want to say it's a little off. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. I want to say the material for sure is a little better. It's been a minute since I've seen these. Don't nobody really wear these anymore, so I can't really go too in depth. It's adorable for sure. This doesn't feel like it'll come off, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm really pulling and trying to. Yeah, I think my brother is 11, so I mean, he's gonna love him regardless. Has the Gucci right here. Close up on that. I know that ain't supposed to. Yeah, that looks cheap. Yeah, I wouldn't get these for myself, but my brother's gonna love it though. Okay. Gucci tracksuit. Has this little tan upper neck area with the red line going all the way across. And on this side, the tan line, the red stripe, green, red, Gucci. All stitched, not printed. I feel like the color should be a little darker, but I have never seen one of these in person. They do have these with and without this. I made sure that I got the one with, just because I feel like with this step alone, people are probably less, you know, try to call you out or think that it's, like I said, this is for my brother anyway, but I feel like people will think it's more authentic with this patch on it. Like, that patch just looks, you can't tell me, that'll make you think like this is real Gucci. The left side, if you are wearing it, my right side. Where this color looks a little off. To the back. Isn't too much to say about this. It is heavy. It's very thick and heavy. So it's gonna keep you warm. It does not feel cheap at all. I will definitely be getting one of these for myself. Just in a different color though. I think I was gonna get myself the gray one. So that will be coming soon. Pants. I'll just open it. Here goes the pants to match. It's the back. Yeah. I didn't even go through the tags on these. As you can see, it comes with this hang tag. Gucci, nothing on the inside. talk about this. We're back on the jacket if you didn't know. This says Gucci on the zipper, both sides. Alright, the Gucci tag on the inside. Not looking too bad. Usually these be looking terrible, but this one's pretty good. Gucci, large. Pretty sure there ain't nothing else on the inside. I'm not gonna be doing all the unzippings. Alright, the front of the pants. Let me see, do these say Gucci on them? Yes, they do. Printed, not engraved. Both sides printed. And the tag on the inside. See, the top looks a little better. This is kind of an example of how they be kind of looking a little bad. There's nothing on the inside there. And just in case anybody cares about the inside stitching, I don't. The same stripes on the side. The Gucci stitch all the way down. Same on the other side. It does have Gucci on both sides. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. I know I've seen it was just a sweater though. It was a hoodie. It was a hoodie with this though, but it only said Gucci on one side. So I'm not sure if that's a flaw or the tracksuits are supposed to be like that. I'm not a Gucci connoisseur, so I can't really tell you. These are Amiri jeans. Okay, they're a little wrinkled. They're like this. It's not supposed to be like that. It just need a little iron. I mean, as you can see how they stuffed it all up in there. The color on camera looks like it's coming in a little grayish, but it's definitely black. Some areas it is. It kind of has a little fade to it, but it's black. It looks good all in all. This is just some, man. There's a few. I'm not gonna probably put all of them out, but there's a few like this that's on I can't get this on the jeans. I just want to show you that you can just easily pull this shit off. Damn. So if you see any more, I won't be doing that. I just want to show y'all. Again, like I said about the Amiri jeans, you can't really go wrong. And can't nobody really call you out because Amiri jeans in real life are handmade. Like the authentic ones are handmade, so they do still come with like little flaws. Like can't nobody say nothing if there is any little flaws. Has Amiri on the button. On the other side, like I said, this just needs to be ironed. It is stretched, very stretched. Like I said, these are pretty much true to size. I go a size up because they do come tight, and I really don't like tight jeans. But the thing about them is that because me even going a size up, they still fit me like perfectly. Like they're still tight a little bit, but not too tight as if I would have went true to size. But the only thing about it is that my waist would be too big, so I would still need to wear a belt with them, but they're not gonna go anywhere. Okay, turn to the back. Now this is why I got them. I had some Levi cargos that I used to love, 10 that I wore them out for years. Like they're my favorite pants, and they had this, and I love that about them. So yeah, I'm probably gonna wear these out too. These is about to be my new favorite pants. Again, it is black. I know it looks like really gray and faded on camera, even the sweater a little bit, but they're all black. That's just the lighting, I guess. And again, this doesn't come like this. All this, it just needs a little ironing. All this just needs some ironing. All the wrinkles just need ironing. There's no wrinkle in these pants. Like as far as the design. Okay. Alright, Kenzo hoodie. This is the most important. I've never even seen nobody with one of these in person, like a real one. I've only seen it on TV, online, however it goes. Yeah, no. But I'm excited about this. I will be rocking this with my, I think I got this to match my Space Jams. It ain't really, the type of blue that I thought it would be, but, actually, I think it is right here in the mouth. Yeah, that'll match the Space Jams perfectly, but this blue is a little lighter, but either way, it's gonna be on my feet. It's gonna look perfect. It comes with this little Kenzo tag, Kenzo.com. Side. Double XL. Again, go 2 sizes up for all t-shirts and hoodies. If otherwise, because I think I did see one time it was like pick your own size. Or they told me definitely keep in contact when you're ordering. Keep in contact with the company about all the products you're looking to buy because they will tell you. I want to say there was like one shirt or sweater I had bought, maybe coming from Fire Kicks, that was true to size. They told me make sure I got my actual size in it, because by default I do order 2 sizes up for all t-shirts and sweaters. My brother's in like kid size, and I'm hoping he'll be able to fit this, but I got a large. Wait, did I get a large or extra? Yeah, large. I got a large in that, so which will translate to like a men's small. He should still fit it because he's kind of bigger. Okay. Last but not least, this purse I got from my mom for Christmas. I'm not missing nothing. Okay. Came in this Louis Vuitton dust bag. I was hoping they would have sent me like one of them Louis Vuitton, like actual shopping bags, but it is what it is. Now, they do have the different types of Louis Vuitton bags. Like, I didn't know this at first, but my mom had, and this is the reason why I had got her a purse, because she was like telling me she had wanted like a Alma, Louis Vuitton Alma purse. This isn't an Alma, this is a, what is this, a Palermo, I think, a Palermo. I kind of just like got this myself. So hopefully she will like it. You can see it comes folded up. Hey, I don't know too much about purses, man, so I'm gonna just try my best. On the real one, I haven't even got to the other side, but I know that one side isn't like, so this is what I would assume is the back side. One side isn't supposed to say Louis Vuitton and all that, but the other side will. Thing looks pretty good as far as stitching and everything. It's almost flawless. See a little flaws there. Just can't complain too much. That's the front side, because it does say Louis Vuitton Paris right there. There's also supposed to be hand straps that connect right here. I'm surprised they're not connected already. That shit, I hope they better be inside here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see. This has the LV right there. Zipper works perfect. Okay. So these are the hand straps. It's not big enough to be a shoulder strap. I don't think there is any shoulder. Oh, yep. So there's a shoulder strap in here as well. Has lots of time on the buckles and everything. There's a couple compartments right here connected. Let's get close up on that. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. That's all for the inside with the stitching. Hey, a couple little flaws, but ain't nobody gonna see that. But all in all, like, this stitching is that shit is real nice. It definitely does look like an expensive bag. Of course, it is all folded up, so she's gonna have to like. I didn't know this. Where the fuck did that come from? I ain't even connected to nothing. Maybe it was inside one of these. I don't even know what that's for. What is that for? Alright, well, I'm not gonna deal with that right now. Yeah, back, front again. Yeah, like I was saying, she's gonna have to, like, I guess put some stuff in it, you know, fill it up so it gets that little wear look. Right now it's all bent and folded, but once you just give it that little, like, wear and tear, then it's gonna look. I have seen an authentic one of these, so, I mean, this is pretty much flawless. I do notice a little bit of differences, but not too much. I was really concerned about this, but this isn't that bad. Now, I do know the real one is like, I don't know if it's I can't really say a little darker, but this shade is a little different. This shade is a little different, but all in all, I don't know if that's just the camera, because I'm looking at it through the camera just like, yo, so let me see. I just feel like, I mean, from a distance it looks good, but I just feel like close up it could have been a little brighter. Like, I feel like it's kind of faded looking, but from a distance it looks pretty good. But we'll see. I may let you guys know what she thinks about it, but still got a couple more weeks until Christmas. Or less than a couple weeks. So we'll see. I may give y'all an update on that. But yeah, I think that was everything. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I don't have a discount code for YesKicks. But please do use my discount code REPGOD, REPGOD, all one word, when you're using Firekicks. And I will see you guys later for the Firekicks review.